When you want to migrate certain ticket and article attachments, note that Intercom doesn't support all types. In fact, it supports text files, images, videos, and PDF files as default. So after the data switch, everything works right. But if you imported unsupported file types, you will see such a message. If you want to migrate unsupported files types, change settings in Intercom before starting your data migration. To access unsupported attachment file types, follow the next steps. Go to your Intercom account. Click the user icon in the lower left corner. Choose the Settings option. Under Settings, select Security. Then click Attachment Settings. Open Control which file types can be received. Enable Allow more file types. Fill in the file types you have and want to import from your source platform. Separate them with a comma. Put a tick next to I understand the security risk involved by allowing these file types. Then press Save. As soon as you are ready, set up data migration to Intercom.